One of the great things about Paragon is that they help with decarbonisation by promoting that. And so what we are part of is building the largest EV fleet in London. We run now over 5,000 EVs, and Paragon were there to assist us in doing so. They were happy to look at some of innovative ways of financing vehicles, and we thought the pay-by-mile model is a really interesting one to explore. You can have straight finance, but I think a pay-by-mile is much more flexible, it's much more in line with how the driver works and performs over the course of a year.
Structuring this type of finance model is not normal. It's pay-per-use. You really do have to understand the asset and understand how they're being used. Otto Car, as a UK SME, they're helping drive Britain forward, and we need companies like that to invest, and especially in sustainable technology. So from our perspective, because we could measure the pay-per-use, it meant that they could pay us when they're using it, which is great. Zeti, because of their innovative fintech platform, gave us the confidence to do that by using their technology. It tells us exactly how far the cars have gone, where they are, what the emissions are, if there's any fault codes, any battery technology that we need to be aware of, but it really does give us, as an asset finance company, real insight into how the customer is using its assets.
EVs are more expensive than their internal combustion engine counterparts, so operators, when they're investing in these new assets, need to obviously manage cash flow. Well, so far, from working with Otto, they've saved 250,000 kilos of CO2 and over 100 kilos of NOx, which is obviously taking pollution off of London's roads. Both Otto and Paragon can measure that effect and see how they're improving the air quality in London.